We're going to begin by putting the chicken into the pot. Put the chicken in the pot to boil. Begin the soup. Begin cooking the soup by cooking the chicken first because it takes the longest to cook. So we put the chicken in first. Let that cook. Put the lid on and let that cook up and boil up. You mix all the vegetables into the pot. You put your chicken in first, let your chicken cook and make sure it gets nice and soft, and you begin to add the vegetables last because the vegetables will cook fast. And as you mix the whole mixture together, it'll begin to blend and cook together, and it'll be nice and tasty soup. This is chicken soup with okras, and we're going to add some corn. We already added some pumpkin. We added white potatoes. We added scallions, and we added okra. So this is going to be really tasty. Looks like the soup is ready. Once all the meat is soft and tender and the veggies are cooked, we're ready to eat. So this chicken soup was made with chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, and I put potatoes, white potatoes, okra, garlic, corn, scallions, and thyme. And all of this, oh, also I put some pumpkin also in the soup. And to give it that soup flavor, you put in the Grace seasoning soup mix. It's a noodle soup mix that gives it a chicken noodle taste. And we are ready to eat. This soup is already all done, ready to be put in the plates. God bless you.